We all know how there are some people who support the hashtag all men are trash, and then there are some people who support not all men. All men are trash has always been a very controversial topic, and although its sole purpose was to create a positive change in the society, but it has ended up dividing people into two groups. All men are trash, not all men. It is believed that the entire concept of all men are trash has been translated into hate speech, and that has created more friction and hatred between the two communities, and that is problematic. So, before stating the exact purpose of this hashtag and what it truly means, I'll tell you how this hashtag came into existence. In 2017, a woman named Karabo Mokoena was murdered and her body burnt by a boyfriend in South Africa. In this country, femicide is a chronic problem. Statistics show that a woman is murdered every 4 hours. Karabo's death sent chills through the country with hashtag #MenAreTrash trend taking over social media platforms for weeks. Ever since then, the phrase has been used rigorously across all social media platforms. First of all, it is important to acknowledge all these issues faced by women on a daily basis, and one must not turn a blind eye to the pain and frustration of women because it is justified. Patriarchy, sexism, brutal crimes against women, male dominance, and toxic masculinity, all of these things are a part of our system and they must be eradicated. It is believed that women all across the globe have had some sort of a negative experience with men at least once in their life, and hence, all men are trash is the product of all those negative experiences and crimes against women combined. So, now coming to the purpose of this hashtag, all men are trash is a jolt, a rude and almost derogatory shake that men must do better and phase out the same. Are we able to achieve our purpose by this hashtag, or is it just affecting men negatively and making them more bitter, violent, and disrespectful towards women? Are we solving anything like we intended to, or are we just further dividing each other? Why do feminists feel offended when they are generalized by some men? Why do we ask those men to, call out pseudo feminists instead of targeting an entire community? No one will care to see what type of a feminist you are because it is already assumed that a feminist is a man hater, and that bothers a lot of feminists who are not. Assumptions are wrong. Generalizing any community is wrong. So, by saying all men are trash, are we not generalizing? Question is, isn't there a better way to approach this whole situation? So, if the existing one is creating more hate and is not solving the problem, then can't we think of a much effective way, or at least better set of words to deal with this entire thing? So, a couple of days back, there was this article that I was reading, and it said, first things first, women know that not all men are trash. The hashtag and semi social movement, not all men, wants us to know one thing: good men exist. And surprisingly, we know that wonderful men exist all around us. In fact, we are friends with them, we are in love with some of them, and we were even raised by some of them. So we really do recognize that great men exist. But the phrase men are trash has nothing to do with those men. It is best explained by a simple snake metaphor, which is, we all know snakes are dangerous, yet there are some snakes which are not deadly at all. However, you never hear people say, some snakes are dangerous, some are not. They just say, snakes are dangerous because it is hard for the average person to tell which snakes are dangerous and which snakes are not. So they urge people to be cautious of all snakes. The phrase stems from the sheer frustration and exhaust of women dealing with men who are inappropriate, entitled, or simply complicit. Okay, so here I think she could have used a better example. I mean, isn't there a difference between a snake and a human being? When you talk about men, you talk about a gender. You talk about an entire community of people with feelings. And so to compare that to a snake, I don't think that is fair. I mean, a snake doesn't know what you're saying, but men, they do. And they have feelings. And to expect every single man to be okay with this hashtag, all men are trash, without a consequence, is not fair. Outrage of women is justified. Outrage of some people who do not support all men are trash is also justified. Of course, there's a problem that needs to be resolved, and the current solution is not it. So, should we stop saying all men are trash? Should we continue saying all men are trash? Or can we find a better approach or a better solution to this problem?